Find the best 5 folding luggage carts for carrying luggage at Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product high scored and buy. 05. Samsonite Luggage Compact Folding Cart. Samsonite is a luggage cart designed using high-quality materials to allow it serve you better. It's easy to use and feels sturdy in your palms. This cart has wheels that are strong, hence allows you to pull the cart for a longer distance effortlessly. Lastly, you will like the way the cart holds your luggage using the adjustable straps. 04. BlueJan Luggage Cart. BlueJan Luggage Cart is a powerful model that features strong wheel. It's easy to pull, hence convenient for carrying luggage from one place to the other. The cart is a lightweight model that you will fold and store easily, hence occupying less space. BlueJan cart features adjustable straps that will hold the luggage in place, hence preventing falling and dropping. Its ability to carry luggage reaches 03. BlueJan Luggage Compact Folding Cart. This is another BlueJan model with a sturdy construction. It features strong wheels for maneuvering through the road and grass with ease. It's made to resist rust as well as bad weather. It saves your space due to the folding ability that converts it into a small size cart. This cart carries heavy boxes and parcels of up to 77 pounds. 02. Sparco Compact Luggage Cart. Sparco is a compact luggage cart designed with sturdiness. It features strong wheels for movement. The model is weather resistant and long for easy holding and pulling. It's made to flip out to support larger luggage, hence good for bigger parcels. The model folds easily for storage, and you will appreciate its value regarding durability and service delivery. Get it today. 01. Remin Kart-a-Bag Tri-Cart 800. Remin luggage cart is among the well-designed models. It features 4 wheels to aid you in carrying 9ng heavy parcels more stable. The model features long handle to enable handling easy. This also makes it hold heavy parcels comfortably. It folds easily for storage, and its lightweight makes the bag easy to carry and walk away for better storage. Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.